friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how the credit union operations will work, how we can open accounts for the members. So just have a look. So from the customer, I will go to the all list. So here you can see the showing 7 members. So minimum 7 members required in credit union operations. Now let's search F-4, one member from the search bar. So I will go to the passbook. So here you can see this member has the FD of 50,000 and after certain period he applied for the loan of 5,000. And if I go to the 13th number, you can see the 5,000 loan. And if I go and check the installment tracker, so here first interest then principal concept is used. So interest part is first installment 150. So for example, let's say customer is giving 150. So on this date, I will just receive. Now let's go and check the installment tracker. So here just refresh and you can see that 150 is paid successfully. So this type the repayment also the customer can do. So for example, let's say customer is giving now 250. So I will just receive after 16th of December and just receive. Now let's go to the installment tracker and just refresh. So here you can see the customer has paid, this member has paid 2 installments successfully, but the one installment 50 is due. So after certain, so on the 14th March the 50 is due. So he can pay on the 14th March this 50 amount. And in the status report, I will go to the status report due list. So here I will just refresh. So here also you can see all the details of the customers. So according to the group wise, we can filter also. Let's take Haryana, then Rani, Belgaum, and from here in the assignee also I can select the according to the assignee the groups, assignee and groups and areas. Now let's go to the status report due list and I will just refresh. So in the due list also we can see the all the due amounts of the customers and we can set the reminder from here to the member. So thank you friends for watching this video and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.